Okay, today we're with the Dedoes Alliance mixing machine and we're going to replace a belt. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that our machine's power has been turned off and our on button is not turning on the machine. So we'll start by removing the cans from the shelf above the power head where we're going to replace the belt, which is this one. Next thing we'll do is move our timer to a lower location so that it's not in the way. We'll remove shaft guards. We're going to use the shaft guards to hold up our shelf while we work underneath or in the power head. Okay, now we're going to loosen up the adjustable end of the belt with the pulley. We'll be using a 12mm wrench and a 5mm Allen wrench. Now your belt is removed from the machine. And as you notice, we did not need to remove the shaft to take the belt off. So now we're going to go through the steps of putting the belt back on. We'll start on the drive end of the machine. So you start it on the pulley, wrap the belt around the gear and around the back side of the pulley. Finish putting the belt into the interface, and this is the reason why we pulled the cans back, so that we have a clear path to put the belt back in place. We wrap it around the pulley. And now we're going to use our 12mm wrench and 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the pulley on the end. The belt is not highly tensioned. And after we've used our tools to tighten the pulley, we can check the tension of the belt. And as you can see, there's not a lot of tension needed. This would be an appropriate tension for the belt. Okay, now we're done with our installment of the belt. We can get our machine back to ready to mix. We'll put our shaft guards back in place.